Hello friends, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to update Bluetooth driver to fix Bluetooth problems. First, you want to go to search box and type control panel and click on it. Then from here, click on category and click on small icons. Then from here, click on device manager. Click on view and click on show hidden devices. Then click here to extend Bluetooth options and update all Bluetooth options one by one. Like right click on it and click on update driver. Click on search automatically for updated driver software. Repeat same steps for all Bluetooth options. Once it is done, then close this window and go to search box and type Bluetooth. Then click on it. Here you will find Bluetooth on-off option. If you don't see Bluetooth on-off option, then watch my next video. Link is given in the description below. Now you can add Bluetooth device from here. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching the video. I hope it was helpful to you. If it was, smash the thumbs up button and do not forget to subscribe and also share with your friends.